Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English for today. And first of all, national news 16 illegal foreign nationals deported from Delhi's Dwarka. Keen to avoid president's rule in Manipur, BJP pushed for consensus on next CM. Supreme Court agreed to hear disabled students' plea against order calling him unfit to pursue MBBS course. PM Modi departed for France and US to strengthen strategic partnerships and attended AI summit. BJP MP Dubey demanded probe of USAID, you said funded outfits in India. Misleading ads, Supreme Court summoned Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir chief secretaries. GST evasion of 1.88 lakh crore detected by CGST officers during April to December 2024. Now, some international news. US President Donald Trump said he is serious about Canada becoming 51st state. Israeli forces withdrew from a key Gaza corridor as violence surged in West Bank. Trump renamed Gulf of Mexico as Gulf of America. He said indelible part of US. Romania president resigned after impeachment pressure over cancelled vote. And now some sports news. Badminton Asia Mixed Team Championship without Sindhu, India faced uphill task. Freestyle Grand Slam chess after rare loss, Gukesh I's comeback against Caruana. Ravindra Jadeja pleased with Indian spin unit ahead of Champions Trophy. Now news related to business. US tariffs will not impact much Indian steel industry. Steel Secretary. India sets up EFTA desk to promote trade investment business facilitation. GST evasion of 1.88 lakh crore detected by CGST officers during April to December 2024. 255 passengers placed on no-fly list in last 3 years, government. And that's all in news. Thank you.